everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a special unboxing. I've already cut it open. I haven't looked inside of it, but inside this mailer is my Bolzano handbag subscription. Yes, I'm so excited to see what is inside here. I'm glad you joined me. If this is your first time visiting my channel, hello. I am so glad that you showed up, and I sure hope that you will stick around, subscribe, and join me for another video. So today's video, Bolzano handbags, this is one of my favorites. No, it's exactly what it sounds like. Bolzano Handbags is a handbag company. They make high quality, handcrafted handbags, but they also offer a subscription club. And I will tell you that Leilani, the owner of Bolzano Handbags, actually sends me this handbag in exchange for an honest review. So I am so blessed to receive a handbag because I love them. They are so very nice. Now you can sign up for a monthly subscription and get a brand new handbag every single month, or you could get one a quarter. You can go to the website and just buy a bag outright if you like. But the savings when you sign up for the subscription is astronomical. So I highly recommend the subscription. You do go online and fill out a style profile. It's kind of fun actually, because they show you different shapes and sizes of bags, and you just say yes or no. Yes, I would carry that. No, I wouldn't. And I was really open because I've been carrying the same satchel-like handbag for most of my life. So I did want to expand my handbag collection, so to speak, and I have been very, very pleased. Now, I always prefer a larger handbag. I am 5'7", and I don't care for teeny tiny small bags because I don't think they look right on a woman of my size. So Bolzano Handbags has been hitting a home run every single time. I love my bags. Prior to Bolzano Handbags, I was the lady that changed my purse maybe 3 or 4 times a year. And now I am changing my bags with my outfits thanks to Bolzano Handbags. I'm going to leave all the information about Bolzano Handbags if you want to sign up for a subscription. If you just want to check out the website, everything you need to know is in the description box below. I have a referral code. If you use that, you will get a free gift. I don't get anything, but you will get a free gift. If you sign up, please let me know, and let me know what that free gift is. Guys, I can't wait any longer. I just have to break into this. Okay, here we are. Now, all of the bags do come in a dust bag, and they also have the Bolzano ribbon, and here's a little card that says, "You deserve to be spoiled." Let's open it up. Let's see what is inside. Oh, this one's pretty. Okay, look at this. Oh my gosh, this one is so nice. This is a very, very pale blush color. Oh my gosh. I think this one's a leather one. It feels like leather. It is so buttery, soft. Let me get up close so you can see what it looks like. Oh, this is pretty. I love this one. It does have feet on the bottom. Those are silver. It does have silver hardware. And we have the Bolzano stamped in it right here, and the Bolzano logo right there. So you can see it comes packaged with plastic and protection on it. So let me take that off and I'll show you the inside of the bag. Okay, so here it is. Here you can see these handles, these tubular handles. I like these a lot. They're very, very nice. And I like the minimal hardware in silver. Like I said, it's just so nicely done. This is so soft. I will leave the description of this bag in the information box below. If I can find this exact bag, I'll let you know exactly what it is. Let's open it up so you can see the inside. Okay, we do have, it's got some bubble wrap, which is nice. It makes the bag hold its shape. And as always, I think every single Bolzano handbag has included a shoulder strap, which is very nice. I seldom use a shoulder strap, but so I'm going to leave it wrapped in plastic because I don't use it, but I normally keep it in my bag just in case. Now, oh goodness, we have some goodies in here. So this one looks like it has jewelry. We do not have any of the cosmetics this time, but we do have a jewelry surprise. All right, so this is what the inside of the bag looks like. So we do have a great big compartment in the center, and that has the zip closure. And then we have the big pocket there with the magnetic closure. So that's on the side. That's really easy to get into. I don't have to unzip anything. And we have the same exact big separated pocket on the other side. That's fabulous. For me, I like to put my cell phone right there, and yeah, it's easy to get into. I don't have to unzip. That is almost mandatory in a bag for me. I love this bag. You know what my favorite thing about this bag is? I think is the color. This is really a dreamy, it's a creamy blush color. It's just ever so blush. I don't know if the camera's picking up how lovely this color is, but trust me, it's great. This one is a win. Bolzano has been hitting a home run. They really are pegging my style. I like this structured look. This is so soft. I'm going to have to find out if this is leather or if this is vegan leather. Whatever the material is that made this bag, it's extraordinary. Let me tell you, it feels very luxurious. Okay, now let's get into the jewelry that they included. Okay, I did receive some information about this bag. I get really excited, and aren't we supposed to read the card before we get into the gift? I know. Okay, but this bag is called the Eleonora Bag, and it's constructed from Peta certified vegan leather. It's a really nice material. That's what I'll tell you. It has a retail value of $195, and it's part of the new summer collection. It comes in shell pink, fern, powder blue, and black. I must have the shell pink color, which I'm happy to have. Jewelry time. Everything is in silver this time. And okay, here's a cuff bracelet, which is way too big for me. So really easy to adjust. That's kind of pretty, isn't it? Let me see. I'll give you guys a close-up of the jewelry. And oh, it looks like another bracelet, and this one is really small. This one has the arrows on it, a little bit of, is that bling? No, it isn't, but the way it's cut, it's almost like a druzy. So let's put them on together, because I might want to rock that look. Okay, that's a little bit big for me as well, so I'm going to have to cross my arrows. Okay, what do you think? I don't know. I'm going to have to play with that, because that bracelet, that one's a little bit large. But yeah. Okay. All right. And there's a necklace. Oh my gosh. Okay. This looks pretty cool. It looks like it might be a layering necklace, but it is a match to the bracelet. Look at it. So I still can't figure this out. Look at it. It sparkles, but I don't see crystals in it. So this is a mystery. Now it's a little bit tangled, so I'm going to untangle it. I'll try it on. I'll show it to you. Blink your eyes. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back with the necklace, and check it out. Even the chain is sparkly. That is so pretty. And this is a different take on a layering necklace, because the chains don't go all the way around my neck, which I appreciate. Yeah, they're just connected right here, so you have all of the layering right around your neck. There is about a 2-inch extender on this necklace, so if I was wearing a V-neck, I could let it hang a little bit lower. I like this. Okay, I'm gonna try one more thing. So I just moved the arrow cuff to the top. I mean, it's on the bottom now, but it's actually on the top right here, and I'm gonna sneeze. Excuse me. Anyway, at least my wrists look great when I cover my sneeze. Guys, I love the jewelry. Very nice treat. It is always such fun to receive my Bolzano handbags. Have you tried Bolzano handbags yet? Please let me know how your Bolzano subscription is going. I have said this a million times, and I'm going to say it again because it actually deserves to be said. Bolzano handbags makes a great gift. I don't have one friend that would not enjoy receiving a Bolzano handbags for their birthday or a special occasion. So if you have a hard to buy for woman in your life, check out Bolzano Handbags and you can thank me later. Guys, it has been such fun spending a little time with you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I always appreciate your support. I'll be back. I have more clothes to share with you in my next video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Come back, see what I'm wearing, okay? I'll see you on the next one. Blessings. Blessings to all of you.